Hello friends, once again welcome back to another video. Through this video I want to tell you what struggle you have to do if you want to come in this field, and if you have completed your GP rating then this video is useful for you. Otherwise don't watch this video. And because in this video we are going to totally talk about how much struggle you have to do, what is happening in the real markets, and how candidates has been fraud, and how I came in this field, and how many times I have been cheated. So many things I am going to talk about in this video. This video I am not going to talk about only problems. I will also give you solutions what you have to do. If you are doing these mistakes, please don't do that, because in this video I am not going to talk about only imaginary. I am going to talk about practical, what's happening real in the market. So let's start. So how I came in this field. So I started my journey in 2021 when I decided to come in this field. And that time when I told to my family I want to join merchant navy, I want to come in this field, then my family was opposite. Then I convinced my family, and then no one was there who can guide me, and my father tried to so much who can guide you, and he contact every relation, but they couldn't get anyone who can guide me. And one day I pick up my calls, and I search on Google how to join merchant navy. Then I got a numbers, that was the agent. And first I have paid how, approx 10,000, and he guided me. And you have to go to Hyderabad, that is the good institute, there you will get placement, each and everything he guide me. And then I contact to that institute, and he told me, director sir told me, yeah, batch is going to start 27, you have to report here 27 December. And I reached there 27 December 2021, and batch started 2022 January to June. And I went there, I completed my training. And after training I got my result around 1.5 months after. I got my result. Somehow I passed. I was not confident I would pass that exam, but I passed. And around 2 months I collected my whole documents. And after that I tried to contact to institute, and only for placement. But I wait there for a long time, I didn't get placement. I wasted my 6 months. Then I tried to contact to my friend who was on ship. And there was one friend and who was working on ship. I contact him. And after some time I got to know he has been cheated for some candidates. So then I didn't contact him. And after some time I contact that friend whom I trusted him blindly, means I trusted him so much. Then he made me talk to agent. And I talked to that agent, he told me. And that time I was in Mumbai Seaman hostel. And when I was there, then candidates have filled in my brains, if you have to start your career from, if you want to start your career from tugboat, then you have to pay service charges 1 lakh rupees. And you will not get anywhere placement without service charges. And that was the problem. But every candidate filled with my mind, I was not able to think something else. So that's why he called me, my agent called me. And he asked me, you have to pay 65,000. Then I ready, because if I will go anywhere, and then I have to pay 1 lakh rupees. And this is my friend, I can trust him. But I paid money. And when I went on tugboat, that was the tugboat. When I went tugboat, that time I was very excited, because I have never ever seen in my life ship. That's why I was very excited. I went on tugboat. And that tugboat boat was very small boat, means below 2000 GRT. Sorry, below 200 GRT. You can imagine how small was that. So when I went to bridge, then when I went to bridge there, my senior told me, yeah, what is your qualification? When I told him, yeah, I did a GP rating, then he told me, what are you doing here? So I came here only for watchkeeping. He told me, no, you will not get any article here, because here everyone is Aadhaar card, means here is no certificates, only for Aadhaar cards candidate. Whoever is working here, or everyone has only Aadhaar card. Then I contact to agent, and he told me, don't worry, your article will be on. And that's how I spent there 4 months. After 4 months company sign off me, I went to home and I contact to agent, and he told me, I am trying to onboard you any other vessels. Then I also waited 2 months, and then I got to know, I think I am wasting my time, because already I have wasted one time. We should do something else. Then I left my home and went to Mumbai again, come to Seaman Hostel. I drop my CV each and every companies wherever I I can go, and I visited so much companies. And whenever I went to Seaman Hostel, candidate told me, you will not get anywhere placement. So I struggled, but finally I got a call from Ocean Sparkle, and then I went there as a cadet. And then within 20 days my article changes training ninja dating, because as a cadet you will not get your watchkeeping. And I went there, and I worked there, that everything was good. And after 6 months I sign off, and when I sign off I take out my watchkeeping. Then also I started struggling, and after watchkeeping I was getting 35,000, 30,000 salary. And that time, but I didn't join. And after that I after the watchkeeping I joined Transhipper. 200 $200. I can't tell you in rupees. $200 I am telling. So I joined there, and that's how my journey started. And when I went again Seaman Hostel, then I observe how people are cheated. One candidate was there new, and first time I met him, and he didn't have money, and he want to join tugboat. So I tried, but there was no vacancy. And so after some time in there, then have been filled. If you will start your career, you will not get a good vessel, and your career will be destroyed. You will means always you have to sail on tugboat. So he has told, it would be better for you, please collect, means if you would collect 3 lakh or 4 lakh rupees, it would be better for you, and you will get a good vessel. Your life will be settled, each and everything. One day I called him, there was a opening, and I want to onboard him without taking a single rupees. And I called him, I informed, yes, here is a opening, you can join. And he told me, I don't want to start my tugboat from tugboat. So I asked him, so many problems he was telling me. Then I didn't contact him. And also he came to Seaman Hostel. And when I asked me which department you want to join, he told me, I want to join as a engine department. Then I asked, after some time I asked him, and just I was talking, and he told me, I want to join as a OS, training OS. Then I asked me, why you join as a OS. Then he told me, here will be more openings, and so many things he was telling me. And so you can imagine how people can change your brains. So that time I also has been cheated, because when I went there, then I got a people's a candidates there was, and he is good shipping companies. And I tagged him, and he told me, I will take my reference, and you will get good vessel, you don't need to worry. And I spent 1 month. I spent 1 month, and then he started demanding money. And please, means he first he gave me 10,000, and I gave him. And again want, again he demanding 5,000. I I means I got to know I should not give money. So I didn't give money, and somehow I take money from that. You can imagine how fraud is happening, and agent is also taking so much money. So one thing I observe, people are people are giving means 6 to 7 lakh only for 6 months, and again they are not getting job. I think this is the big problems, and I can see you so many candidates there are in cement hostel, and he paid 6 to 7 lakh rupees, and again they are not getting job, because they will get, but company will take more time, 6 to 7 months. Yeah, I think this is the big time. No one can, means a very less candidate can wait 6 to 7 months. It is the huge time, big time. So this is the happening in the market. Please don't do these things, and if you don't have money, please don't take any loans from banks. If you want to start your career from tugboat, so I will put some numbers in description box, and please you can send your CV, and don't tell my names. And if they ask you where you got this number, and told him this number I came from my friend, you can tell. So I will left in description box, you can send, and if there will be any opening, they will call you. So there you don't have to pay any service charges. Okay, and mostly there will be tugboat, if you are interested and you want to start your career from tugboat, then you can contact there, and you will get job. So I also started career from tugboat after spending 1 lakh rupees, after floating 1 lakh rupees. So I don't want you have spent 1 lakh rupees. I think it is not good. And so please, before going on ship, you should be clear which side you want to join, deck or engine. And if you have still doubt which side is good for me, and I also made video, and which I also made video on practical basis, and what work you have to do, how many hours you have to do, and why candidates quit deck, and why candidates quit engine, why they switch, and each and everything I told there. And still, if you have any doubts, please tell me in the comments box, and I will inform you, I will guide you. And if you like my video, please give us a like, and let's meet next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.